Hello friends, good morning. This is Rohit. Welcome to this video. In this video I will try to demonstrate you how you can set up VPN, that is virtual private network, on Windows 7 without installing any third party application. Okay, so if you don't know what is VPN, how it works, what are advantages, I have already made video on this. You can go and you can watch this video, so you will get idea about what is VPN and how to use VPN. So I will give you link within description. You can visit and you can watch that video. So let's start. So in order to set up VPN, first of all you have to visit a website called vpngate.net. So vpngate.net, this is a website. Okay, so visit this website first of all. This website consists list of free VPN servers across various geographic location. Okay, they are freely available to use. So this is how the website look. Okay, there are different ways to connect your computer to the internet through the VPN. So I will try to show you today how you can connect your computer to internet through VPN using L2TP IPsec protocol. Okay, there are different ways. In upcoming videos I will try to demonstrate you about that. Okay, so this website consists list of free VPN servers. Okay, you can use any of this VPN server for connecting your machine to internet through VPN. Okay, so to filter this I will try to untick these other options because I want to use this protocol to establish VPN connection between my computer and internet. So by selecting this, okay, so here, as here you can see I have selected this and then click on this refresh server list. Okay, now this list of servers will be appear in front of you. Now the important thing, in order to establish a VPN connection, you need to know the server name and its IP address. Okay, so here you can see the physical location of server is within Japan country and this is the name, DDNS host name. Okay, so here the DDNS host name is public VPN 107. So at last of this name you will find this opengw.net. Okay, so at the end of every server name there is a string called opengw.net. So this is the way to identify the server name. Okay, so if you consider suppose this server, then okay, its name will be public VPN 221.opengw.net. okay, and exactly below to that you will find the IP address of that server. So you can use the server name or IP address for establishing the connection. Okay, in some region, in some country, we need to provide the IP address while establishing connection. So if you find any error while establishing connection, just try to provide the IP address of server and try to establish a connection. Okay, so I will try to copy this first server name, and now after copying this you need to go to your network and sharing center. Okay, so here choose the option set up new connection or network. Okay, set up new connection or network, click on this. Now this window will be appear in front of you. So there are 4 options you can observe. connect to internet, set up new network, connect to workplace, and set up dial-up connection. So here try to choose this connect to workplace. So it will allow us to set up dial-up or VPN connection. Okay, so in order to set up VPN connection, choose this third option, connect to a workplace. Okay, then click on next. Now here two options are there, use my internet connection, that is VPN, and connect directly. So we have to go with this first option, use my internet connection. So click on this. Now here it will ask you the internet address. Here we need to provide the server name or IP address, as I told you. Okay, so here it is a server name. Whichever server you want to get connect, you need to provide its DDNS host name, or you can say name of server. So I will copy this name and I will paste it here. Okay, as I told, if sometime you will find any error, then just try to replace this server name with the IP address and try again. Okay, then after putting this name, here click on this don't connect right now. Okay, just set up the connection, I will connect later. This option you need to tick. Okay, and then click on next. It will ask you for a username and password. Okay, so put username as a VPN and password as a VPN. Okay, left all other things as it is and click on create. Okay, now it will show you message, the connection is ready to use. Don't connect it right now, some more setting we need to do. Okay, then again go to your network and sharing center. Now to choose the L2TP IPsec protocol, click on this change adapter setting. Now here you can see our VPN connection is appear. Okay, right click on this connection, go to properties. Okay, then under the security tab, here type of VPN you need to select. Okay, so type of VPN will be, here you can see L2TP IPsec protocol. Okay, layer 2 tunneling protocol with IP security protocol. Okay, so regarding the L2TP protocol and IPsec protocol, I already described within a last video. You can go and watch that video to know more about this L2TP and IPsec protocol. Okay, after selecting the type of VPN as L2TP and IPsec, click on this advanced setting. Here you need to provide the key. Okay, and key you need to provide VPN. Okay, this is the important step. If you forgot this step or if you skip this step, your VPN will be not able to connect to the VPN server. Okay, so provide your key as a VPN, click on OK, then click on OK. Okay, now your VPN is ready. Okay, all configuration we have done. Now in order to connect, right click on this and here you will find connect option. Okay, if you don't want this VPN, you can delete it, you can rename it, or in order to change anything, you can go to properties. Okay, so right now I want to connect, so click on this connect option. Now this window will be appear in front of you. Okay, so this window will ask you the username, that is by default VPN, then password will also VPN as we have set while creating it. We do not have to provide any domain name here. Okay, just you can skip it. And in order to save this username password for other user, you can take this option. And in order to connect now, simply click on this connect button. Now here you can see the, okay, so here you can see VPN is connected. VPN is connected. Here as well, if you go to this computer icon and if you click here, you can see here VPN is connected. Okay, so in order to disconnect it, if you don't want it, you can right click and you can click on this disconnect. it will disconnect the VPN. Okay, now what is location of our machine right now? If you go and if you want to check, so suppose I will go to Google and I will type website IP location. Let's try to check where our machine is exactly. So this is a website iplocation.net. Okay, so many websites are there. Any website you can go and you can check the location of your machine right now. So your IP address and data will be passed through a tunnel. That is what the VPN. So government agencies, attackers, hackers, they will be unable to exploit you. Okay, so it protects your identity from hackers, businesses, government agencies and other snoops. Okay, so while connecting to the internet, your IP and data are hidden by type of virtual tunnel. Okay, so you can see here your IP address is right now 219.100.37.237. okay, this is actually the IP address. If you go and if you check here, okay, to this server you have connected. Okay, and where it is right now, so here you can see Ushiku Ibaraki. Okay, this is location within Japan. If you want to know more, you can click on these details. This machine is having location within Japan because you are browsing internet through the VPN. Okay, so all other details you can observe here regarding this VPN. Okay, so this is how basically you can establish or you can connect your machine to the internet through the VPN without installing any third party applications. Okay, so friends, if you find this video useful, please subscribe this channel, like our videos and share it with your friends. I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching.